today I will follow a Madeyewlook tutorial because I found my love for body painting through Lex's channel and she's just amazing. Last time I did the Glam and Gory tutorial because Mikey was the one who brought me into the creative makeup world in general. In that video I already said that I'm meanwhile more into body painting, so let's stop talking and just jump right into the tutorial.
I'm about to lose a fingernail. Look at this. This is the most ridiculous thing I have ever done. They were black nails and then I painted them whites. They're stuck on with said double-sided tape and then I painted them pink. That works. Angles.
So I pretty much did the exact same thing. I still had these demon nails from my demon tutorial. And yeah, I made them out of polymorph plastic. They were black. Then I painted them white and went over it with pink nail polish.
Now you very well may need to take some breaks while doing this look. I was just painting my heart out. This took me hours to paint.
Hell yeah, this took really long. What's up guys, Future Maddie here. So once I started painting, I was so focused that I totally forgot I should probably talk to the camera every now and then. But hey, I'm here for that now. So first of all, I used some white water activated paint and a really thin brush to create the outlines. This was actually the most difficult and confusing part of the whole look because it was really hard to see what Lex was actually painting because it was obviously sped up. By the way, please ignore that I look a little bit yellowish in some clips. I have no idea where that comes from.
In my reference, it also showed veins, and I wanted to paint those in first, which ended up getting a little bit lost later on, but this is the reason I did it, because I didn't want them to get lost, and I filled those all in using red body paint. To give it some shading to show it's going underneath certain areas, I added a little bit of black paint into the red and just shaded around the edges. I knew that I wanted this entire look to be different shades of pink, so I just went back and referenced our regular anatomy where your skull is white and then obviously muscles are more of like a pink red. So I decided to go with a very light pink for the skull instead of white.
So Lex used the pink body paint to shade the skull, but I just had to use this hot pink eyeshadow because I don't have a pink body paint and it's just way more beautiful than any color I could possibly mix. Is that cheating? I don't hope so.
Once again, going back to the color of ourselves, I knew that I wanted the muscles to be darker than what is supposed to be bone.
So as I said before, I don't have a pink body paint and I definitely don't know how to mix a magenta, so this is the color that I was able to mix.
I then mixed a little bit of black into that magenta body paint to give me that darker shade to be able to shade all the muscles and add some striations. And along some of the edges, I just went in with straight up black and blended that out.
Here I was just painting on some stripes using different shades of light pink body paint I obviously mixed together out of white and red body paint.
As well as use some white liquid eyeliner for some shine, that way the body paint would mix into the body paint and give me a light pink, which I already had. Using red body paints, I filled in any other gaps that were left in between my muscles and shaded with some black around those areas. And continue to add two muscles on the other side where the bone is.
Here I used the same pink that I used earlier to fill in the muscles to create some details in the mouth area. I also used some white body paint to highlight and some red and black body paint to shade and fill in the mouth hole. Sorry, I don't know if you call it like that. Anyways, I didn't fill in the teeth quite yet because I wanted to be able to drink and eat. Yeah. Then I used the same pink body painting mixtures I used earlier to fill in all the muscles on my neck. And obviously I also filled in the gaps in between using red and black body paint. I personally would have painted all the muscles of the entire look first and fill in the gaps in between later on, but I had to stick to the tutorial, so I didn't do that. You have no idea how difficult it can be to do a fucking voiceover. Anyways, So I obviously also filled in the mask and shaded it and everything, but that was out of frame, so I cut that out. Once I was done with the design, I painted everything else white. I set the paint on my whole eye area with some white eyeshadow, which was also the base for this hot pink eyeshadow. I also lined my eyes, put on some mascara and fake lashes. Lex didn't, but I just have to. I painted my eyebrows using pink body paint, and last but not least, I filled in my teeth. It was so fun to recreate this look, and I really like how it turned out. Yeah, that was it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next video. Bye!